Text, life as a commuter. Courtney, at Courtney UOB.
Hey everyone, it's Courtney UOB from the student team, and today I'm going to be showing you a morning in my life as a commuter student to the University of Birmingham. So just to provide you guys with a little bit of context, as I said, my name is Courtney and I'm a second year English with Creative Writing student at the University of Birmingham on our main Edgbaston campus. So I made the decision very early on in my first year that I was going to live at home, purely because it's a lot cheaper and I wanted to be able to save to move either to Birmingham or to London after I graduate. And it just worked better for me as well. I live at home with my two sisters and my mum and my stepdad, and it just works out quite well for me. We're a very noisy, boisterous bunch, so it's sometimes a little hard to get work done, but other than that, it's okay. I live about 45 minutes to an hour outside of Birmingham, and despite popular belief, I'm not actually a Brummie. I am actually from the Black Country, so this accent is a Black Country accent, which, for the record, I'm very proud of. So I'm just going to show you what I take with me, what the journey sort of looks like, how long it is. I'm so excited to be back after, I think it's like 6 months, which is just too long. And there's so much been built, the new engineering building. I'm just really excited. We're really excited to get back on campus. So just a bit of information about the logistics and the timing. As I said, I live about 45 minutes to an hour outside of Birmingham, depending on the traffic, and my family go into Birmingham all the time, so it's not a big deal to have to drive there for me. I do occasionally get the train, but just at the moment I don't feel 100% safe doing that given everything going on. I feel more comfortable just driving in my own little bubble. I woke up at 7 today, and that will leave me plenty of time to get to university for 10:30, which is when I'm meeting the team, which I'm really excited about. And yeah, I thought I would also show you guys what I bring with me just for a day of studying on campus. So the first thing obviously I bring with me is my laptop. This has got everything on it. This is my life, and I obviously just put it in a case so it doesn't get smashed about on the way there. And I also bring my laptop stand just because it helps when you're looking at your laptop all day. I also bring my charger, of course. We have so many charging ports on campus. We even have some in the benches on the Green Heart, which is just absolutely crazy, and I'm obsessed with that. And I also bring a hair clip because I have a lot of hair and you don't want that in your face when you're trying to study. Obviously I bring my mask as well. This is just a silk one. And my lip combo because the said mask rubs it off. I also bring my day planner, and this has just got all the events in, anything that I need to be showing up to. And then I bring a little jotter notebook. As I do a creative writing degree, I have ideas sometimes, I just need to quickly jot them down. And then my student ID. Crikey, that photo is a little bit tragic, isn't it? But yeah, that's all I need to take with me, and it's not even too heavy.
Courtney packs her items in a large tote bag.
So that is my bag all packed, and one thing I forgot to mention, you need an umbrella because you just don't know with this weather at the moment. So I've just got onto campus. It took about 35 to 40 minutes and it was a really easy drive actually. I went a way that I've never come before, which was just so much easier than the way that I've been coming here. I think I'm gonna grab myself a little drink now and then try and find my way to the car park where I'm meant to be, which might be a mission. So I just got onto the car park where I'm supposed to be, and I found it really quickly and first time, which I was really shocked about because normally I've got no sense of direction, but obviously I'm part homing pigeon, what can I say? It was such a nice drive, and it's really sunny now. And coming into uni, when you go onto Aston Webb Boulevard, you can see all of the Aston Webb buildings, which is just so nice. It's like a little greeting. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little drive with me, commute and morning in my life, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Text, University of Birmingham. www.birmingham.ac.uk, student team. Produced by Creative Media.